I'm going to just get this door set up to where we open it up with a handle, at least a makeshift handle for now until later on we can get a proper handle, and just get it fixed up to where it looks we can use it. We can go in and out. So right now I'm just going to be cutting handle and go from there. Handle. I was just going to screw this handle on, this makeshift handle, and what I did is just drill the hole so where I can just turn around and lock it in, and hopefully it works. Handle. Well, all I did was just add three staples. So you can turn around, take it off, put it on this one, open the door, take it off, put it back, and open the top. And right now, that's the door. And what I'll do is build a handle for the inside and go from there. And this should look real awesome. Yeah. Okay, what I did was I grabbed a 6x16 and I cut it to size. I turned around and I did some trimming. And I turned around and I trimmed it. And what I'm gonna do now is install them like this around them. Do a border, and so this way it keeps the air out and keeps the weather out and keeps me warm. These on each side. Okay, I installed one of them, the door trimming, I guess you'd call it, I'm gonna finish it off. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through here. I'll do this one up here, and I'll do a cross. I'll do the bottom, and it should be done. Today, we just finished up the trimming. Put a makeshift handle, put a makeshift lock for now. What I'm gonna do is, in the future, I'm gonna handcraft a handle for this and have more time during the winter time to detail more. Right now, just getting ready for winter. Winter's coming, storms gonna be here soon, and we don't want to be freezing.